Good morning, student. Today my topic name is rocks, mineral and soil. Introduction. The hard mineral material of the earth's crust exposed on the surface or present right under the soil is called rock. Rocks जो होता है वो दो और दो से ज्यादा मिनरल्स से मिलकर बना होता है. कुछ रॉक्स जो होते हैं वो ओनली वन मिनरल कंटेन करते हैं और कुछ मैनी मिनरल्स कंटेन करते हैं. We use rocks in our everyday lives in various ways. Types of rocks. Rocks को तीन कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. The center of the earth is made of hot molten rock. This hot molten rock inside the earth is called magma. When a volcano erupts, this magma flows out onto the surface of the earth. जब वॉल्केनो एरप्ट होता है तो जो मैग्मा होता है वो अर्थ के सरफेस के ऊपर आ जाता है जिसे लावा कहा जाता है. दिस लावा कूल्स डाउन. जब ये लावा ठंडा हो जाता है तो ये एक इग्नेस रॉक्स का रूप ले लेता है. इग्नेस मीन्स होता है फायर. टाइप्स ऑफ इग्नेस रॉक्स. बासाल्ट एंड स्कोरिया. It is an igneous rock formed by the rapid cooling of lava on the earth's surface. जो igneous rock होता है वो बड़ी जल्दी लावा ठंडा होकर अर्थ के सरफेस पर आ जाता है. It is dense and dark in color and has a fine grains. The edges of this rock are very sharp. जो इसकी edges होती हैं वो काफी sharp होती हैं. These are also called scoria rocks. It is very glassy with many air pockets visible on its surface. Granite. It is formed when magma cools below the earth's surface. जब मैग्मा अर्थ सरफेस के नीचे ही ठंडा हो जाता है. The three main minerals in the granite are quartz, feldspar and mica. It is the most common igneous rock. It may be black, grey, white or pink in color. The color of granite depends upon the content of its feldspar. इट इज वेरी हार्ड एंड देयरफॉर एक बहुत हार्ड होता है ये और इसका यूज कहाँ किया जाता है हाउसेस की फ्लोरिंग करने में, मेकिंग स्टैचू एंड पेविंग रोड्स. Pumice rock. It is light grey or cream colored rock formed by the cooling of frothy lava. It is the only rock that can float. It has many holes made by the air trapped inside it at the time of its formation. It is used as a scrubbing stone to remove rough dead skin from the body. Dentist इसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं इसके पाउडर को pumice for polishing our teeth. Obsidian. It is formed by quick cooling of lava. It looks like a glass and is black or dark in color. ये black और dark color में होता है और इसके edges बहुत sharp होते हैं. It is used in making or cutting of jewelry. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from pebbles, sand, mud or clay that can deposit in seas or oceans. Repeated heating and cooling of mountains by rain, wind and sunlight breaks the rock. ये जो हमारी रेन, विंड, सनलाइट इससे क्या होते हैं रॉक जो होते हैं बार बार टूटते रहते हैं. These small pieces of rocks are carried down by rivers and strong wind into lakes and seas. They sink to the bottom and settle down to form layer called sediments. As time passes, more sediments build up which press down the lower layers. The continuous pressure upon the lower layers harden them into rocks. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. The major portion of the earth's surface is covered with sedimentary rocks. Types of sedimentary rocks. Sandstone. It is formed when small particles of sand get compressed and cemented together. Sandstone mostly consists of a mineral called quartz. It is widely used for making buildings. ये ज़्यादातर buildings बनाने में इस्तेमाल होता है. हमारी बहुत सी पुरानी buildings जैसे दिल्ली, आगरा and राजस्थान are made up of sandstone. Conglomerate. It is solid mass of pebbles, sand and gravel cemented together with minerals like silica and calcium carbonate. It is mostly orange or grey in color. can withstand weathering. It is used in construction and for polishing ornaments. Shale. It is smooth sedimentary rock formed when layer of clay harden. जब clay की उसमें जो काफी कठोर हो जाती है तब ये बनती है. It is used to make tiles and bricks. Limestone. Limestone is made up of a mineral called calcite. These minerals come from shells of sea creatures. ये minerals जो होते हैं हमें sea creature और shells के द्वारा मिलते हैं. When shells and skeleton of millions of tiny sea creatures settle down in the seabed, they form layers. These layers harden to form limestone. Chalk is a limestone rock. Cement and lime are made by using limestone. It is also used in making glass and for separating pure metals from their ores. Gypsum rocks. It is a soft rock made of sulfate minerals. It is used to make plaster of Paris, casts, muds, and false ceiling. Next, coal. Sometimes plant and animals get entrapped in the sediments. Remains of these dead plant or animals found in the sedimentary rocks are called fossils. Next, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks. Exposure to high temperature and pressure causes them to undergo a change of metamorphosis. The change can either be a physical or a chemical one. Types of metamorphic rocks. Marble. When limestone undergoes several changes, जब limestone में काफी changes आते हैं तो it forms marble. It is found in various color. ये बहुत तरह के colors में पाया जाता है. It can be carved and polished easily. It is used to make statues and buildings. Slate. When shale undergoes several changes, जब shale में काफी changes आते हैं तो it forms slate. It is dark grey in color. It can be easily split into thin sheets. It is used for making writing slates, blackboards, and roof tiles. Gneiss. When granite undergoes many changes, it forms gneiss. During its formation, the minerals within it get separated to form light and dark bands of different colors that can be seen separately. It often glitters because of the presence of shiny mica. Quartzite. When sandstone undergoes several changes, it forms quartzite. It is hard rock. ये एक काफी hard rock होता है and can even scratch steel. It is used to make statues. It is also used in making glass and ceramic industries. Schist. When shale undergoes several changes, it forms schist. It is used to make building materials. Important terms. Weathering. Weathering क्या होती है? All rocks on earth break up into smaller pieces over time. Hot and cold temperature affect weathering of rocks. Rainwater can freeze and expand in cracks in the rock. Over time, this may cause rocks to crack and break up. Erosion. As rock weather, they get broken up into small pieces or particles. The particles are transported to different places. The movement of weathered particle is called erosion. Deposition. Particles of rocks that are eroded finally land or get deposited at a place. This is called deposition. Rivers carry sediments that get deposited along their course. Compaction. As the layer of sediment build up, the pressure on the lower layers increases. The layers are squeezed together. The process is called compaction. Cementation. The particles of sediment stick to each other. They get cemented together. This is called cementation. Minerals. Minerals क्या होती हैं? Minerals are underground natural resources. Minerals are the building blocks of rock. A rock is made up of two or more minerals. Minerals are chemical substances that occur in nature. इसके फीचर्स हैं कि ये occur naturally होते हैं. They are in the solid state of matter. They have a definite chemical composition. They have a definite internal structure and they are inorganic, that is, they are made up of non-living matter. Uses of rocks and minerals. Many rocks and minerals are used to make buildings. Granite is used to decorate the exterior of buildings. Granite as well as marble is used for making tiles for floors and counters. Stone and concrete are used in building roads, highways, tunnels, bridges and airports. Or machines or tools are made up of metal which are derived from minerals. Jewelry is made from precious or semi-precious stone and precious metals such as gold, silver and platinum. Marble and soap stones are used for making sculpture. Many rocks and minerals are used for making beautiful decorative items. Soil. Soil क्या होती है? Soil is found in the uppermost layer of the earth. It is one of the most valuable natural resources. Soil is a layer of small particles of broken rocks, organic matter and minerals along with some amount of water and air. Soil also supports the growth of plants by holding their roots firmly. Plants take water and minerals from the soil through their roots. These plants produce food and help to maintain oxygen level in the air. Small animals like insects, rabbits, earthworms live in soil. We also depend upon soil for our basic needs like food, clothes, medicines, water and shelter. Formation of soil. Soil की formation कैसे होती है? The formation of soil takes millions of years. ये काफी सालों से बनती आ रही होती है. The surface of rock break down into smaller pieces through the process of weathering. This mixes with organic matter to make soil. Decaying matter makes the soil fertile. Soil formation is slow, long and continuous process. ये एक निरंतर चलने वाला process होता है. Composition of soil. Soil is made up of gravel, clay, moisture and humus. Soil also contains air, minerals, microorganisms and other living organisms like worms and insects. Uses of soil. Soil provide optimum conditions for proper growth of plants. जो soil होती है वो plants की growth में काफी यूज होती है. सोइल के द्वारा ही सोइल में ही प्लांट्स उगते हैं और इन प्लांट से हम बहुत सारी पल्सेस, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल प्राप्त करते हैं. सोइल जो होती है वो हमारी हेल्प करती है स्टोरेज ऑफ वाटर में भी. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इन सोइल मेक्स इट फर्टाइल. फॉरेस्ट्स ग्रो इन सोइल एंड आर एसेंशियल फॉर द वाइल्ड लाइफ इन द ब्रिंगिंग रेन. सोइल जो होती है वो प्रोवाइड करती है यूजफुल मिनरल्स टू द प्लांट्स. Soil profile. Soil is made up of different layers. These layers contain particles of different sizes. The layer of soil forms soil profile. It has 3 layers. Soil की जो होती है 3 layers होती हैं. First, top soil. Top soil होती है हमारी the uppermost layer of the soil is called top soil. It is nearest to the surface. ये surface के बिल्कुल नजदीक होती है. The top soil is generally dark brown or black in color. Almost all agriculture activities are done in this layer. ज्यादातर ये जो खेती बाड़ी का काम होता है वो इसी लेयर पे किया जाता है. It contains tiny particles of sand, clay, humus, moisturizer or air. Humus makes the soil fertile. Plants get essential nutrients from the layer. Second, subsoil. The second layer is called subsoil. Subsoil consists of rock materials. The proportion of plant life and living organism in this layer is very low. Bedrock. The third layer has large pieces of rock and is called bedrock. It is quite deep inside. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.